Today we'll talk about how can you Hibernate account on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just click on your name here. So when you click here on your name, it's going to take you to this list here or your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, just go down here. So you keep going down and you click here on account settings. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video, so it's going to take a time. So then all you have to do, just click on account preferences. So then you go down here, you keep going down and you come here to Hibernate account. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this is here. Then you go down, click here on Hibernate, just click on it, and it's going to Hibernate your account on your LinkedIn so Learning app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.